What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error in Battlefield 6. The first thing you should do is open the search bar on your PC and type DXDIAG. Run the command and it will show you which version of DirectX you currently have installed. Check the version number. If it is lower than DirectX 12, you will need to update it. To update DirectX, open your browser and search for DirectX Windows 11 download. Make sure you choose the first link from Microsoft, download it, install it, and then try launching the game again. If the issue continues, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. Open either AMD or Nvidia GeForce Experience depending on your GPU and update to the latest driver version available. This alone solves the problem for a lot of players. If it is still not working, search for graphics settings on your PC. Open it, find Battlefield 6 in the list and set it to high performance. This forces the game to use your dedicated GPU, which often fixes launch and DirectX related errors. Hope this helped you out, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.